Okay guys, this is lesson 4 of Unit 1. This time we're going to be going over major battles of the war. Here's a link with all the major battles of the war. I'll go to this that way I can show you how it's run. You can, right over here is all the battles that you would want to choose from. You can choose any one of them, or any of them if you want to. Doesn't matter to me which one you choose. You have to select 3, but if you want to do 1 or 2 more for extra credit, that's fine with me. And explain why the battles were fought and where they were fought. That website is take you to that has some really good information. So let's just go to the Battle of Stalingrad. Really quick here. It gives you all the background and the operations and stuff like that that's going on during it. Like obviously this doesn't have, like obviously your PowerPoint doesn't have to be this extensive, but if you can put the major points of each battle that you choose, that would be awesome. And while you're doing, and after you choose your battle that you're going to do, you're going to create a Google slide presentation for me. All you have to do is create a Google account. They're free. They're very easy to make. It'll take you literally 3 seconds. You have to make a slideshow presentation. How to get to the slideshow is you have to go down to the Google Docs. I'll show you how to do that here. Let's let me get out of this. After you create, oh, hold on, so let me sign in here. Go to this, the apps, and go down to more, and go over to Google Docs. And when you go to Google Docs, you go right to here and go down to slides. And then go to create a new presentation, go to blank. And you can just go from there. It's very, very simple to do. Make it shareable. Here, I'll do that too. So you go to the blank slide, and you see, see how that has a lock thing up there? Go to share. I had to save it first. And get shareable link. And then go to anyone can view if they have this link right here. So what I want you to do when you're done is put this link in an email and send it to me with your name, so that way I know whose it is, and that way you'll be great for it. But besides that, that is all you have to do for this lesson. The slide, I won't give you a limit on the slide presentation on the slides. Just make sure you have 3 major battles of the war and just put information on it, like the major events of the war, like major events of the battles, who won the battle, what was the battle about, stuff like that. And get creative and make your slides presentable. Don't just use like white background. Get creative with it. Okay. Besides that, that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next lesson.